In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use jump cuts to speed up your process. So whenever you're taking your videos, doing a talking head video, the easiest and fastest way to do it is to just record in one bulk session. But sometimes we make a mistake and then we think, oh, I need to go back and do that again. And you keep restarting. So if you learn how to do a jump cut correctly, this will save you all that time. So we're just going to jump over to CapCut. And I have a video already put in here, which I have muted so I can't hear it. So first thing I do is listen to the first bit. So once I stop talking and then start again, that's where I want it to start and end. So I find the end bit, I press C and I cut that, and then I scan over till I'm about to start talking again. So even though that's a weird looking pose, it won't matter in a minute. And then I just delete that middle section. So now you've got a video and you can see it's sort of weird, it catches you a bit. And then I would go to the next bit. Don't know why I'm singing in that one. So I go to the end of that one. You're probably lucky I have it muted. And I cut there as well. So then again, I'm going to cut out this section. So I'm not going to do the whole video, but that's basically the first 3 cuts that we've got there. So from the start of the video, and then there's too much of a jump. So that's why it's called a jump cut, but we want something to take away the harshness of it. So it's very easy to do. You just click and zoom in and then readjust it. So now there's a reason for it to move. So that would mean if you had stalled for a couple of minutes whilst you're thinking about the next thing to say, you might be in the exact same position. So it doesn't look as bad when it jump cuts like that. And then it will jump cut back from that back down to normal. Another way of doing it, I'm just going to cut a random section so that you can see it. Another way of doing this in CapCut, which is quite nice, it's a good way to start videos as well, is to click on the section and then go up here to scale and position. Click those two. Then move to near the end and click on those again, scale and position. Then you can move this wherever you want. So I'm just going to move it here for now. So then instead of it being a cut, it moves into it nicer. There's 2 variations of a jump cut. You can jump straight in, just zoom in and out to make it look different, or you can slowly zoom in. Last thing to do would be to add some sound effects just to make them stand out that little bit more. So if you have any other questions, please reach out to me. I'm happy to help. I hope you have an amazing day whatever you get up to, and I will speak to you again soon.